This is problem number 6 from section 5.3. In this problem, it says the half-life for a link on a social network website is 2.3 hours. Write an exponential function, t, that gives the percentage of engagements remaining on a typical link on the social network website after t hours. Estimate this percentage after 4.7 hours. So they're talking about half-life. So the half-life formula is A of t equals c half-life, so 1/2 to the t over k, where we have the amount of this is the k is the half-life time, t is the total time, and c is the initial amount. So let's define some stuff so we can come up with this formula. First of all, c is going to be 100, and I'm going to say 100%, because we're looking to estimate the percentage basically drop after a certain amount of hours. Well, we had to have started at 100% in order to drop here, so I think that makes sense. K is the half-life, which is 2.3 hours, and T is 4.7 hours. So they want us to write a function that will give us, so it wants to estimate the percentage after 4.7 hours. And it says write an exponential function t that gives the percentage. So our function right now is going to look like so. We're going to say, instead of a, we're going to say t of little t equals, and then we're going to use this part. That would be 100, 1/2 to the t over k, which would, t would be 4.7 over 2.3. So this is our, well, this is what actually be if we're going to solve this for t, because it does say estimate this percentage. So this would be our answer that we're going to get. But the formula then, we could input any time instead of inputting 4.7. We could input any time. So the formula that we're using here is t of t equals 100, 1/2 t over 2.3. Because the only thing that doesn't change, or the only things that don't change, are the starting amount, which is 100, our half-life, and then also our half-life time. So the t's got to remain a variable. So for that first part, when it says write an exponential function t, this would be like our part A. And then our part B is this function up here with an input of 4.7. So now we can actually calculate that using our calculator here. We will type in 100, half, I'm just going to say 0.5, to the, and I'm going to use a fraction, 4.7 over 2.3. And that tells me 24.26%. So 24.26% after 4.7 hours. So our formula was this. We used 4.7 to plug in for t, and we got a drop. So it says estimate the percentage remaining on a typical length on the social network after 4.7 hours. Well, that's only 24% remaining.